Looking for an exciting adventure this winter in Dundee? Let me take you on a journey to Discovery Point, the home of the legendary RRS Discovery. This is the perfect spot for explorers of all ages.
Sunshine pouring through the trees, happy days, a gentle breeze.
Start your visit in the museum, where you'll uncover the incredible story of the RRS Discovery. Built right here in Dundee, the ship was designed for one of the toughest challenges in history, an Antarctic expedition in 1901, led by the famous Captain Robert Falcon Scott. Learn about their daring journey, the crew's courage, and how they survived in one of the world's harshest environments. Once you've explored the museum, it's time to step aboard the RRS Discovery itself. Feel the wooden decks beneath your feet as you imagine life aboard this historic ship over 100 years ago. Walk through the cabins, see where Captain Scott and his crew lived, and get a sense of the adventure and determination it took to explore the unknown. This is more than just a visit, it's a step back in time to one of the greatest stories of exploration and survival. So, if you're in Dundee, don't miss this unforgettable experience. And if you love Scottish adventures and travel tips, don't forget to subscribe. There's so much more to discover. Before you finish your journey, don't forget to stop by the Discovery gift shop. Pick up something special as a memory of your visit, whether it's a keepsake, a unique gift, or a piece of history to take home with you. Hope you enjoy the video, and see you again soon.